Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix Windows 11 or Windows 10 brightness not working. So before going to start the video, if not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Windows 10 or Windows 11 brightness is not working, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is you have to just click on the search, then type your control panel. Click on the control panel, click on view by, select as large icon. In this you need to find power option. You can see here power option, click on this. Here you can see choose when to turn off the display, click on that. Here you will find two options, turn off the display, put the computer to sleep. You have to make sure this turn off the display should be selected as never. Select both option as never, then click on save changes, then close this window, and you can try by now you can check whether your brightness is working or not. If this option is not working, then what you have to do, you have to just press hold control shift windows key plus B. You will see your screen flickering and you will hear a beep sound. You have to wait at least 10 to 15 seconds. After that, you can try to changing your brightness settings and check whether it is working or not. If this is also not working, you can try the another method. Just click on the search, then type here device manager. Click on the device manager, click on the display adapter, double click on that. Here you will find your graphic driver, right click on that and click on uninstall. You have to make sure this option has been checked, then click on uninstall. After uninstalling, you have to restart your PC and check whether your brightness settings is working or not. If this option is also not working, then the final method is you have to update your Windows. For that, you have to just click on the start, click on settings, click on update and security, click on Windows update and update if there is any pending update for your laptop or desktop. After updating, just restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows 10 or Windows 11 brightness not working. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.